You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city, and there's a car model that's also named after this city in New Mexico. So, Spanish pronunciation, of course it's a word that comes from Spanish or from Mexico, Mexican Spanish. Santa Fe. Santa Fe is a Spanish pronunciation, but in English it's usually pronounced rather as Santa Fe, New Mexico. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.